Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the HEPA filter on your Tesla Model Y. Maintaining your vehicle's air quality is crucial for a comfortable driving experience. Tesla recommends replacing these filters approximately every 3 years to ensure optimal performance. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for you at home. Let's get started with the necessary preparations. First, gather your tools: a 10mm socket, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and a non-marring pry tool. Begin by opening your front trunk or frunk. Carefully remove the underhood apron by gently prying up its clips. Set this panel aside in a safe place. Next, locate the washer fluid reservoir neck and remove the single bolt or clip securing it. You do not need to detach the hose. Now, with the washer fluid neck moved, you can access the HEPA filter assembly. Use your 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding this assembly in place. Carefully lift and maneuver the entire filter assembly out of the vehicle, being mindful of surrounding components. Once removed, use your Torx T20 screwdriver to take out the 10 small screws securing the filter cover. Then, extract both the old carbon and HEPA filters. To install, place the new HEPA filters into the assembly, ensuring a tight seal. Insert the new carbon filters with their arrows pointing towards you. Reattach the filter cover with the 10 Torx T20 screws, tightening them to 1.6 Nm. Carefully position the HEPA filter assembly back into the frunk, securing it with the 2 10mm bolts, torqued to 10 Nm. Finally, reinstall the washer fluid neck and the underhood apron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.